Hello traders. In this quick video, I'm going to tell you some basic facts that you should know about being a day trader. This is important to know if you want to be a trader because the other market players that you'll be trading with are sophisticated and highly educated and highly trained. The bottom line is that a day trader without inside information into a specific stock does not know anything about the future. Let me be clear. Again, nobody knows what the future will hold or bring 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, a day, or a week from now. With that being said, some of those players are very powerful computers programmed by very smart people. There are plenty of stocks that computers do not trade, what they call a high frequency computers. But top ranking proprietary trading firms, large financial institutions, large banks, hedge funds, they have very smart people working as traders. While you do not need a college degree to become a professional and profitable day trader, most large top ranking firms, trading firms, only hire people that have at a minimum a college education. Some even requiring degrees from the top elite universities. But even if the traders have a college degree, these firms will put them through training for at least a year or more. Very lengthy and complex training. These traders have to adhere to all the strict requirements of these firms, or they will lose their job. If they don't meet certain objective criteria, they will lose their job. These traders are supervised by senior traders, and they also have risk managers involved. On top of that, you have management people from the firms supervising everything in real time. And it makes sense. These firms are putting their capital at risk for their traders to trade. So it makes sense that they have to adhere to very strict requirements and criteria on each trade. The amount of money they're going to lose that is risk is known ahead of the trade. If it's not done that way, the traders will not have a job. Think about that pressure. Do you have that pressure? Now, even after this lengthy training, if the traders do not become profitable, this firm will let them go. So you're probably asking yourself, why is this information important for me? This is important for you because these highly trained and educated traders are the top traders at these large institutions. Banks, large banks, hedge funds. A lot of them even manage large retirement plans with millions and millions of dollars. These are the people you will be facing in the marketplace. The point of the game is financial profit, and you can call these people sharks. The market is full of sharks. If you cannot swim with the sharks, you will be eaten. Some of these firms have the capital to have the best equipment, the best data system, the best connections to the marketplace. Even a split of a second is an advantage, is an edge. Now, with that being said, do you really think you have a chance against them in the marketplace, in trading stocks? If you don't have formal training, formal education into the financial system, you might have an edge if you ask yourself the following questions and you answer yes to each of them. Are you willing to follow very strict risk management rules to the point that if you don't follow it, you lose your job? Are you willing to trade only the correct setup that comes for you? Are you willing to give up the instant gratification mentality that you seek of overnight riches and fall in love with delayed gratification instead? Are you willing to initiate a trade with a bare minimum risk, investment risk, and increase your position only when the market tells you that it's time to increase it? And to immediately exit the moment the market tells you it's time to go, the trade is done. Are you willing to pay attention to the market for many hours without making any trades until the correct setup for you, what works for you, shows up and invites you to trade? And finally, are you willing to eat, breathe, and sleep day trading for the rest of your trading career? If your answer is yes to each of those questions, sincerely yes, then you might have an edge. And I say might because there are other technical aspects of trading that you will have to master. And we'll talk in upcoming videos in this mini series of becoming a day trader. Thank you for watching, and if you like the content, please smash the like, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so you get the notifications every time these lessons come out.